Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's video is bunny napkin rings. These started out as the little Dollar Tree bunnies from the paint kits, and with a little bit of paint they actually have a personality now. And it was pretty easy to turn them into napkin rings. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. These are the little bunnies that I got at the Dollar Tree. And they come in a paint kit. And they've got a little piece of wire on the top so that you can hang them like an ornament. I'm going to use them for other things. So I'm just taking a pair of needle nose pliers and taking that out. Okay, and the first thing that I did was give it a good coat of plain white paint. And you can see I've got these sitting on the side drying. And this is just acrylic paint. I've got white. I've got cameo pink, which is a very pale pink. Blue cotton, that's a baby blue. Black. And I've got pearl white, metallic. And I love this on the bunnies. I mean, I've done this for years and years and years, and I can't even begin to tell you how many bunnies I've done that have been coated in the pearl. So after you give this one good coat of paint, and I think you can see the difference. Sorry about all my little crystal rainbows. You can see how white the paint is, but how off-white the bunny is. So if you just have good enough lighting, you can see what you got and what you didn't. Alright, I'm going to finish this, and after everything's dry, we'll go on to the next. Okay, now with a detail brush, I'm going to fill in these eyes with this baby blue. And after I'm done with the eyes, I'm going to be painting their little noses pink and the inners of their ears. And we'll be back when they're all done. Okay, I got the little ears done, and the blue in the eyes, and the little pink nose. Now I'm just going to take the end of a paintbrush and a little bunny a pupil. I'm just going to take the paintbrush and work on the eyes again. And once this dries, I'm going to take a toothpick in the white and give it the direction lines. While I'm playing with the black, I'm taking a toothpick in the black paint and putting 3 little lashes on. And I definitely want it to have that cartoon look. And a little dab of white. That looks so cute. Okay, when he's all dry, then I'm going to give it a good coat of the pearl metallic over top, and they'll be done. As far as the bunnies anyway. What I do with them after is a little different. Okay, and now I'm just putting a thin coat of the pearl on this, because if you do it too thick, it kind of hides the colors of the eyes and the ears. So I'm just doing a nice thin coat. Oh, the sunshine is so bright today. Okay, I'm going to set him aside to dry and finish the rest, and oops, and they'll be done. Okay, I've already decided that this year's tablescape is going to be in lilacs. So what I did was I got some of my lilac ribbon, and you know, I've got the clear napkin rings that I got at the Goodwill a long time ago. I mean, I still have probably 20 that I have never used. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue the ribbon on this, and then my little bunny's going to get hot glued on there. Okay, I've got the ribbon glued on. I'm going to use the seam side up. I'll put lots of glue on there. And put that little bunny on there. Normally I would do him going this way, but I want, if I did it this way, it would have almost nothing to hold on to. So I'm doing it that way. And I'll just have to make sure that I fold the napkin a little bit different. Okay, I'm going to finish up with the rest of them, and then they're done. And there they are done. And they're all ready for my tablescape. And they were really easy. I will tell you they're a little top heavy. That's why I've got the napkins opened up on the ends to hold it up, because they do want to tip over. But if you've got it up next to a plate, it'll stay up fine. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. And happy creating, everyone.